I am so sorry. Are you hurt? Are you sure? You seem a little bit out of it. Hey, can you say something? Like, what's your name?
Paul. My name's Paul.
Ah, thank God. I thought that... Never mind. My name is Cora. I'm sorry that this is how we have to meet. I don't even know how I was allowed to get a driver's license. Do we, like, exchange insurance information? You're not gonna call the cops, are you?
No. Why would I do that?
I don't have insurance. And I can't afford to have my driver's license taken away. And I can't afford to fix my car or yours.
It's okay. We'll work something out.
I am really sorry. I hope that you weren't in a hurry.
No, I was just going to work.
Me too. And they told me that if I was going to be late one more time...
I could drive you if you want.
No, you've already done far too much. My car is just bumped.
Are you sure?
You are being far too nice, given the fact that I ruined your morning and your back bumper.
You know, life's too short to worry about a back bumper.
That's where...
You should definitely pick that up.
Hang on one second.
Sure.
Hello? You're kidding me. Please don't. Okay. Well, thank you. Bye. Well, you told me not to bother coming in today. I'm fired.
Oh, wow. I am so sorry. Wait, am I being scammed?
If you were, I would be the worst scam artist in the world. Listen, I'm really sorry. I'm taking up too much of your time. Just go ahead and go.
No, not at all. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said anything.
I mean, no, it's perfectly fine. I am a terrible driver. And apparently a terrible employee. I have already wasted so much of your time, and I really don't want to get you into trouble either.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh.
Why did you laugh?
I'm the boss, so I'd be firing myself.
Okay, Mr. Boss Pants. Are you turning red?
It's just that I didn't expect my morning to turn out like this. The least I could do, can I offer you a cup of coffee?
I'm the one that hit you.
I know, but forget the bumper. I live right around the block, and I would love to offer you a cup of coffee or tea if you would like.
I mean, I don't have anything else to do.
All right, just follow me.
Okay.
Okay. I am so sorry, but can you please sit in this chair and not that one?
Yeah, absolutely. So, should I be worried?
Worried?
Yeah, some strange, handsome man invited me to his place after I hit him with my car, and I'm here all alone.
Handsome?
Well,
If you're my sister, I'd be telling you to watch out for guys like me.
guys like you.
I am. Wow, I never actually told anyone else that. Only one other person.
Who?
My wife.
Oh, you're married.
Yeah. 15 years.
Hmm. That's so romantic.
I don't think it's gonna last. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't be trauma dumping on you.
No. It's okay. I'm a good listener.
Yeah, she left me. And I really miss her. And I worry about her.
So, was that her turn?
Yeah. All my friends keep telling me I need to prepare for the worst. Prepare for life after marriage. And I just can't bring myself to file for divorce.
Why hasn't she?
That's a good question. You know, I sometimes find her hair is still around the house. So I'm assuming she must come here when I'm at work, right? Even like cartons of milk. I knew were half full and now empty. Is that crazy? I feel like I'm going crazy.
I'm sorry. I really just can't imagine because I've never been married before.
You don't have to be sorry. I shouldn't have said anything.
Now, you don't have to answer this if you don't want to, but why did she leave?
And she said I was dead inside.
I'm really sorry. I feel like I'm intruding. Maybe I should leave.
No. I'd really like if you stayed. It's been really lonely. It's lonely in this room. It's lonely in the kitchen. I just wish you'd come back.
I can stay. It's not like I have any work to go to.
Oh my God, I am so sorry. Wait, hold on. I could probably get you a job.
You really don't have to.
I feel like it's my responsibility.
I'm the one that hit you. Remember?
Yeah, but still.
You're a great man, Paul.